Theosophy maintains that the actual cause of physical death is the body's inability to deal with prana, or the life energy that it is receiving. And we have here on the constitution of man, prana, life energy, an essential component. The body receives prana, utilises it and throws it off. And this is a continuous process through physical life. Now, death occurs maybe as a result of disease, or even in the case of an accident or suicide. This would still be the case. I mean, with the suicide, you've induced a state, and with an accident, it's been induced for you. But whatever the circumstances, the body has reached the point where it can no longer absorb the prana, and the body gives out, resulting in physical death and the separation of the non-physical principles of man from the physical body. Now, as an analogy, I would like to cite the example of an old-fashioned electric fire. And I don't know if anybody still has the old electric fires anymore, but they used to be very, very a once common item. Now, electric fire, normally had one or two. It had two bars normally. The bar on an electric fire, you plug the electric fire in, the electricity goes through the bar, it heats up, and it throws off heat. And this continues quite happily, probably for many years. But eventually, unless you're very lucky really, most electric fires pack up in the end, the bar, the element, can no longer cope with the electricity being put through it, and it just gives out. And I can see an analogy there with the physical body, that the physical body is constantly receiving the life energy, and once it can no longer deal with the life energy, and that was say maybe through illness, accident, or suicide, then that's the end. That brings about the end of physical life.